Me, Barik. Today I'm eating pancake with ice cream and cheese. So amazing. So guys, I eat this so much. And it tastes good. Tasty. Tastes ice cream pancake. Okay, tasty banana ice cream. Okay. Oh no, the ice cream is melting. I love it. My sister is making the pancake, but the cook. And when you're done, it's really gonna make some 4 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 6 and 5. Also, we're gonna have something on the pancake. Has ice cream, cheese, chocolate chip, and more of them. Also, don't forget to syrup. Syrup. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.